Gardens need attention? Not sure what to plant? Not sure where to start? It's easy with Easy Plant's DIY garden bed plans. Let me tell you how it works. Remember, it's important to know what type of soil you're working with. Now choose from our range of design modules. Rectangle plans can be used along your boundary, driveway edge, or in a courtyard. Corner gardens are uniquely designed to connect to rectangle plans, allowing you to plant out your full boundary with decorative plantings in the corner. Our range of feature gardens add interest to open lawn areas or courtyards. And take a look at our packaged options. Choose from themes like bird attracting, drought tolerant, and Balinese. So whether you're looking for a single garden bed design or a complete package, save time and money. Get it right the first time with our professional garden bed designs, which take the guesswork out of plant selection, making DIY even easier. With Easy Plant, you can't go wrong.